Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Explained. If you've been following along with our previous videos, you already know what containers are, how Docker helps you manage them, and how Kubernetes takes container management to the next level. But today we're tying it all together. We're diving into the differences between containers, Docker, and Kubernetes, explaining how they work individually and as a team. Ready? Let's jump in. First, let's do a quick refresher. We've learned that containers are lightweight, portable units that package your application along with everything it needs to run, just like packing all your clothes and essentials in a suitcase for travel. Then there's Docker, the tool that helps you build, pack, and manage these suitcases. It ensures your travel package is neat, organized, and ready to go anywhere, be it your laptop, a testing server, or the cloud. Finally, we discuss Kubernetes, which steps in when you're not just traveling with one suitcase, but managing a whole fleet of travelers. Kubernetes handles logistics, ensuring everyone gets where they need to be, their luggage is distributed efficiently, and any unexpected issues are sorted out quickly. Let's use another simple example. Imagine a delivery system. The container is like a package you're shipping. It holds the item securely, so it stays the same no matter where it's delivered. Docker is the tool that helps you pack and label the package properly, so it's ready for shipping. Kubernetes is the logistics company managing thousands of packages, ensuring they're delivered on time, rerouting them if there's an issue, and balancing delivery loads to avoid delays. Here's how they all work together. Containers are the core concept. They're the packages that ensure your application is portable and consistent. Docker is the platform that creates, runs, and manages those containers, simplifying the process. Kubernetes is the system that orchestrates these containers across multiple machines, ensuring they scale and function seamlessly. And remember, Kubernetes doesn't replace Docker, it works alongside it. Here's a quick comparison between Docker and Kubernetes. Docker is best for creating, deploying, and running containers on a small scale. It's like the personal packing assistant for your application. Kubernetes is designed for large-scale operations. It's the logistics team ensuring that all your packages or containers are managed and delivered efficiently. So whether you're just starting out with a single application or managing a massive system with thousands of services, understanding how containers, Docker, and Kubernetes work together is key. Containers give you portability, packages, libraries, applications, and dependencies. Docker simplifies containerization, creates and manages multiple containers as per a system's need. Kubernetes helps you scale and manage everything effortlessly, distributes workloads, scales up or down, and deploys as per requirements. If this helped you understand the difference between containers, Docker, and Kubernetes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more topics simply explained. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll answer them in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Simply Explained.